Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about generic method append, uh, which is used to add a new element to an array. Here I do have already one class with name array. So let's create a generic method append right now. So public static parameter type t, type of array any, name of the method is append, arguments input array and element t of any type, any data type. Okay, so this method is generic, which is indicated by parameter type t, which allows us to append elements to arrays of any data type t. Okay, now friends, let's define one variable with name original length and initialize it with input array dot length. Okay, now friends, let's create an new array with the size of an with the double size of an original array. T new array equal to arrays dot copy of input array original length into 2. Okay, now friends, let's write code to add new element, new array original length equal to element. So what line number 12 will do? This line takes the new element to the new array at the index corresponding to the original length. Okay, it means the new element is added to the new array at the index corresponding to the original length. Okay, now let's write the return statement. Return new array. Okay, now let's look again in the append method. This original length will be calculated as the length of the input array. Later on, a new array is created using arrays dot copy of with a size double that of the original array. Okay, the new element is added to the new array at the index corresponding to the original length. And what will we get as written, we will get as written new array. Okay, now let's go into main method and let's create an string array. String array and add the elements in string array, which are 5, 8, 5, 8 and 9. Okay, so we have created here a string array with 3 elements. Okay, now friends, let's call the append method to add one new element to this array. Okay, so let's continue. String, I'm giving the name of the array as array2 string equal to. Now let's write the main method name as, our method name is append, and here pass the our original array name as array arr, and now pass the element whichever we will have to add. So I will have to add 12, so I am passing here 12. Okay, now let's write code to print the array of our, to print the added element array. Okay, so for that we use arrays dot to string method. Pass the new array name as, our new array name is arr2. Okay, now just let's save the code. Now friends, let's revise once again what we have done here. We have created a string array with elements 5, 8 and 9, and later on we call the append method to add the element 12 to the original array arr, and we are now going to print the result. We are now going to print the result in arr2. Okay, so friends, let's run our code. Now friends, you can see that we are able to get our new our output with adding a new element 12, and the size of array, you can see that is double. Okay friends, so friends, this is all about adding a new element using generic method append in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.